This trade details out the 59.37 long, taken on Tuesday, May 20th. Early that morning, ESDaily delivered one grade A+ opportunity, and we nailed it. The May 20th game plan was published at 6:30 a.m., fresh off a clean zero-trade Monday. Still, we sat for over 8 hours. Why? Because the game plan, which outlines the only trades we take, hadn't triggered. I spelt out exactly what I needed to happen in the pre-market game plan. The first obvious area for me is a failed breakdown of the 59.47 price. I'd want to see a flush below to as low as 59.35 or so, acceptance and reversal. 59.47 was the first level in focus. Price flushed to 59.3675, then bounced to 59.4675, just one tick shy of our trigger. That was the test. And we passed by doing nothing, no reclaim, no entry. Price fell 20 points quick. The rules save us. We waited. Then came the real setup. Price built a base near 59.35. Buyers stepped in. And at 3:09 p.m. we got the reclaim. I alerted the long from 59.37 on X, and I always screen grab my broker's text confirmation. Transparency with ESDaily readers matter. Momentum was there. Structure confirmed the acceptance. That's what we wait for. From our entry to 4 p.m. close, we climbed. Our profit-taking rules tell us we don't forecast or anticipate home runs. We take profits at the next level up. That's exactly what we did. T1 hit at 3:31 p.m., 70% off. T2 hit at 3:58 p.m., another 20% off. Then, as always, we reduce risk and move the stop to break even. We captured a 21-point swing, which was the only solid trade opportunity of the day. We don't forecast, we react. That's the system. Not more trades, just the right one. Want trades like this mapped for you daily? Join the thousands of subscribers and join me. Go to esdaily.com and subscribe.